What's up, guys? Welcome back to VetMekz Garage. We got some parts in, so we're going to be doing some unboxing of the different parts that we just got in. We're going to be tackling the, harmonic balancer, tensioner pulley, bearing for the AC compressor, a bearing for the alternator, water pump.
We got the AC compressor bearing in, but we're not going to change that.
Yeah, probably not going to change that. It's spinning pretty good. Plus, we're still contemplating on doing a delete on that anyways. So, we'll see how that goes. We're going to get everything. First, we got to get the harmonic balancer pulled out. We have not pulled that out yet, so we got to get that pulled out. Then we're going to get everything put back in, and hopefully, after we get everything installed, put the new belt on, and we can get this thing started. So, see how it goes.
AC compressor bearing.
Okay.
That's a tiny little fella. There she is. Little AC compressor bearing.
Smaller than I was thinking it would be.
Yeah, a lot smaller than I was thinking it would be too.
And we have our first rock auto magnet of the build. I'm sure there will be many more.
Yep. The guy who created this is a genius. He's selling air. AC Delco idler pulley. Right there.
Pull that out and see what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty.
That's shiny. Haha! Tensioner pulley.
Tension pulley and a belt, okay.
And a brand new serpentine belt. Now this has got to be our water pump.
It's got to be the bigger box.
Yep. This right here is the big boy. Gasket.
Should be two of those.
Material. There she is, boys. And you guys can see on here, that's how it's supposed to go. See, there's no movement in there. Here's the old one, just as a reminder.
Yeah.
She had to be replaced.
I already see something we're gonna have to figure out.
What?
That one's got studs coming off of it for the
Nah, we'll get that figured out.
for the pulley mount.
All right, well, there's the parts.
Hopefully we can get those on there sometime within the next week. I think we're still waiting on one more part to come in.
Yeah, we're waiting on one more part to come in. We didn't mention this in the other one, guys, but I think we've gone ahead and decided that we're going to go ahead and change the harmonic balancer on this. It's this piece right here behind this pulley. It's right there. Because it's been on there a while and there's a rubber piece on there that we're not sure if it's dry rotted or not.
So we're just trying to
And a harmonic balancer isn't that expensive. We can go ahead and change it.
We're trying to change out everything we can so this thing runs as good as it possibly can when we finally get it going.
Yep. But
Hopefully within the next week we'll have a video of us getting this thing started for the first time.
hey, what's going on, guys? VetMekz back with you again. Today, we're going to try something that we hadn't done before. We're going to be trying to pull the harmonic balancer and replace it. We have the new harmonic balancer right here. That's it. We're gonna try to get that put on today. Hopefully we can, but I'm not making any promises. I hadn't done this before. Done a little bit of research on it, and it says it's usually about a 5-hour job. One good thing is that I've already got I've got the pumps and everything pulled off. I'm gonna have to tie this back a little bit, but everything's clear except for this pulley. From the videos I've been watching and a little bit of research I've done, this pulley comes off. Get a light down there so you can see a little bit better. This pulley got to come off, and then your puller goes on here. And this whole piece right here, this piece comes off, and that's when the new one is going to go on. So, with that being said, let's get to it. We got alternator back on, smog pump back on, power steering pump back on, water pump back on. There's your tensioner pulley. And right now I'm bolting the air conditioner system back up. Like I said, this big stupid plate that was in the front, we just left it off. But we're hoping to get her started tonight for you guys. Alright guys, it's the next day. We got everything put back together. As you see, new belt tensioner. We got the water pump on. Got the alternator put back on, smog pump put back on. Power steering pump is on. As you can see, for the first time in a while, this is back on because, wish us luck guys, we're gonna try to start this thing.
First time in 10 years.
First time in 10 years. Alright.
So we had the battery on the charger all night, just hooked it up. Hopefully that thing's gonna fire off for us. Alright, first start, go. What, nothing? Try it again.
Nothing.
Not turning over?
Well, we don't have any lights either. The only light we got on says anti-lock right there.
Okay, well, let's go troubleshoot this problem and see where we're at. Alright, so we determined that the battery was dead for some reason. Apparently we got a slow drain. It was hooked up to the car all night, so there's something going on that's still draining the battery, even though nothing's been on or hooked up or anything. So we got our jumper box hooked up to it. As soon as it's ready to go, we will try this again. Alright y'all, we got our ready signal on our box there. Got it all hooked up. Alright, got our operator sitting down in the spot.
And I'm not much lower than I would be if the seats were in.
Let's see what this thing does.
We got dash lights. Oh, here we go.
Just bump it, don't. Alright, do it again. Everything looks solid. Alright, let's see what she does. Look at the smile on that man's face. Alright. A little bit of smoke, but that's to be expected with a car that's been sitting as long as this one has. But there it is, first time in 10 years.
I don't know what to say. You ever wanted to have tears of joy?
Yeah.
And honest to God, she don't sound that bad either.
No, she doesn't. And there's still a lot of stuff we got to do. I mean, we just did the very bare minimum, mostly just putting fresh gas in it, changing out the pulleys.
At least it works.
Yeah, we checked the spark plug, pulled them out, cleaned them. We didn't change them yet, but I think that's the next step. We're gonna change
That'll be the next step.
change the spark plugs, probably get new fuel injectors, do the spark plug wires, distributor cap, all that good stuff.
We're close, guys. We're getting there. We are getting there.
We're getting there. I think the main focus right now is going to be the engine, getting the engine running smoothly and properly the way we want it, and then we'll start tackling the interior of this thing.
Hey, you're getting my socks in there.
Yes, your socks are in the picture. But had a little bit of backfire going on there. And I don't know what that was about.
I'm in such a good mood right now that I really don't care. we can figure the backfire out. I don't know. I hope you guys are as happy about this as we are. I mean, we're pretty stoked right now. Pretty stoked right now.
We're feeling very accomplished at the car that's been sitting for 10 years and it just fired right up. Didn't even waste any time.
Nope.
I think
That's one thing. This car wants to run. She wants to be driven again. I can't get this smile off my face.
Look at that. Look at that. That's what a happy man looks like right there.
What's up, guys? Big night for us tonight. As you guys saw, we got her running. She starts up. This baby she wants to be driven. She really does. We got everything put back on her. She cranked up with no problems.
I was surprised how fast that thing started up.
Hey, man. Thank God for it. It worked, man. To all the folks who donated to my Facebook fundraiser, hey guys, couldn't have done it without you. Thanks a lot. I mean, if you guys could keep sharing that and getting it out there, we'd be able to get this car done a lot faster. Other than that, as you can tell, I hadn't stopped smiling yet. Next up is probably going to be the interior. We're going to try to knock out the interior, and as soon as I can get some money up, we're going to try to get a transmission rebuild kit, get that knocked out, and then tires. And hopefully here in the next couple months, guys, we'll have this baby back on the road. But you know,
Now we can focus on getting the interior done and then eventually move on to paint.
Getting her painted and getting her looking pretty.
Getting her purdy
Getting
again.
her pretty again. But we do have our own Twitter account. If you guys want to follow us on Twitter, we're going to put the link right here. Right there. That's our link to our Twitter account. I think Ethan's also set up a Instagram for us. You can follow us on that too. We're going to put that right here. But that's pretty much what we got this for tonight, guys. As you can tell, I'm still giddy. We will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. We really, really appreciate it. And once again, I mean, like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Critique us. Let us know what we need to do better. Anything to bring you guys some better content. Working on that. Other than that, guys, see you next time.